Hi friends, welcome to MiniatureDiecast. Today we are going to unbox this beautiful Hot Wheels. The 1963 Studebaker Champ is a classic light-duty pickup truck produced by the Studebaker Corporation from 1960 to 1964. This one is from Hot Wheels Mainline 2024 N case. A very fantastic casting from HW Hot Truck series. Let's unbox this miniature beauty. I like to keep my cars as original carded, so it will be protected from scratches and dusts. If you want to know how to open your cars safely without damaging the cars, I'll make a separate video on it. Beautiful white paint with this neon green lines on it. Front headlights details are missing, but black grille design is there. Overall paint quality is fantastic. Some detailings are there for the interior with bluish plastic glasses. Backlight details are missing. In rear section of car, we can see details like made in Malaysia and dual side exhausts pipes and dry shaft. Now let's do a roll test whether its wheels are rolling properly or not. Perfectly rolling. Wheels rims are looking fantastic with this white paint job. Overall, I just love this truck. Ultimately, every Hot Wheels car is a piece of art. Every car tells a unique story. One that brings smiles and sparks imagination, no matter your age. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible diecast models. Happy collecting!